Tomfoolery is a noun that refers to silly, foolish, or playful behavior, often with a sense of harmless mischief. It captures the idea of acting in a way that is not serious, sometimes to the point of being ridiculous, but typically in good fun. Origins of tomfoolery. The word tomfoolery derives from the older term tomfool, which was used in the 16th century as a generic name for a foolish or clownish person. Over time, it evolved into tomfoolery, which came to describe the actions or antics associated with such a person. The whimsical sound of the word reflects its light-hearted nature. How to use tomfoolery. Tomfoolery is often used in informal contexts to describe playful or mischievous behavior, especially when it is exaggerated or nonsensical. It usually implies humor rather than malice. Example sentences. The teacher put a stop to the tomfoolery in the back of the classroom. Their tomfoolery at the office party kept everyone laughing all evening. We didn't mind a little tomfoolery, but things got out of hand when the pie fight started. Similar words: shenanigans, mischievous or questionable activities, foolery, foolish behavior or actions, horseplay, rough, boisterous play. Nuances of tomfoolery. Tomfoolery carries a sense of charm and amusement, often suggesting that the behavior, while silly, is ultimately harmless. It may describe anything from light-hearted pranks to clownish antics. The term also carries a nostalgic or old-fashioned tone, adding a playful touch to descriptions of mischievous behavior. In essence, tomfoolery captures the joy of light-hearted, mischievous fun, while reminding us not to take life or ourselves too seriously. It's a celebration of humor, silliness, and the occasional playful diversion. Subscribe.